Hi gang, today we're going to do a very quick one when it comes to CQIs. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to talk about who can do a CQI. Now that you know you got to do an assessment, is who is qualified, because one, you want to protect your neck. Secondly, you want to make sure that what you did is not wasted because you may be underqualified. Now, certainly pick up a copy of the CQI manual for all of the delving into the detail. But the general consensus is your individual that performs these assessments has to have a minimum of 5 years in the discipline. So if you're talking about welding, it's 5 years understanding welding and metallurgy. If it's heat treating, you better have 5 years in heat treating. Injection molding, same sort of thing. So the first thing is that technical expertise. The second thing is you're going to have to be familiar with the process approach and understand how to audit process. So if you might be the technical expert, but you do not know how to audit from a process-based perspective, certainly get some education on that or increase the size of your audit team in order to fulfill that requirement. So if you like that and you want more on CQIs or anything manufacturing related, check out plexusintl.com where we have more on CQIs, core tools, manufacturing, and pretty much anything systems related.